Hello. Now we find the dy by dt a cos t, and we find dy by dx. We find the dy by dx equal to dy by dt and upon dx by dt. dy by dt is the a cos t and dx by dt minus a sin t plus a upon sin t, and a upon cos t minus a sin t plus a upon sin t, that's equal to a cos t into sin t upon minus a sin square t plus a as the common and 1 minus sin square t. So cos cancel a and cos t sin t upon cos square t. The cos and cos be cancel. The sin t upon cos t, that's equal to tan t. Now here we differentiate the x with respect to t and differentiate the y with respect to t. So the value of dy by dt and dx by dt. To find the value of dy by dx as the dy by dt upon dx by dt, and we put the value of dy by dt a cos t and dx by dt minus a sin t plus a upon sin t. That we simplify that and we get the a cos t sin t upon a 1 minus sin square t. So that's equal to dy by dx equal to tan t. Now next, question number 2. Find dy by dx if x is equal to cos cube t upon under root cos 2t and y equal to sin cube t upon x is equal to sin cube t x is equal to sin cube t and y is equal to cos cube t upon under root cos 2t. Now we differentiate with respect to t the given function. We differentiate with respect to t. So dx by dt equal to cos 2t into d by dt sin cube t minus sin cube t d by dt of under root cos 2t upon cos 2t under root whole square. That's equal to cos 2t 3 sin square t into cos t minus sin cube t 1 upon 2 under root cos 2t into minus sin 2t into 2 upon cos 2t. Now taken as the LCM and cos 2t into 3 sin square t into cos t plus 2 cancel and sin cube t sin 2t upon cos 2t power 3 by 2 power 3 by 2. And next as the dy by dt equal to dy by dt equal to cos 2t d by dt cos cube t minus cos cube t d by dt under root cos 2t upon cos 2t under root whole square. That's dy by dt equal to cos 2t 3 cos square t minus sin t minus cos cube t 1 upon 2 under cos 2t into minus sin 2t into 2 upon cos 2t. Therefore 2 cancel and cos 2t minus 3 cos square t sin t plus cos cube t sin 2t upon cos 2t power 3 by 2 minus 3 cos 2t cos square t sin t plus cos cube t into sin 2t upon cos 2t power 3 by 2. Now dy by dx equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt minus 3 cos 2t cos square t sin t plus minus 3 cos 2t cos square t sin t plus cos cube t sin 2t upon cos 2t power 3 by 2 and divided by 3 cos 2t sin square t cos t plus sin cube t sin 2t upon cos 2t power 3 by 2. Now this is cancelled and minus 3 cos 2t cos square t sin t plus cos cube t sin 2t upon 3 cos 2t sin square t plus sin cube t sin 2t minus 3 cos 3 minus 3 into 2 cos square t minus 1 cos square t sin t plus cos cube t 2 sin t cos t 3 1 minus 2 sin square t plus sin cube t into 2 sin t cos t. That's equal to minus 6 cos square t cos square t sin t plus 3 cos square t sin t. Now dy by dx sin t cos t common minus 3 2 cos square t minus 1 into cos t plus plus 2 cos cube t 2 cos cube t upon sin t sin square t common 3 1 minus 2 sin square t plus we get, that's equal to minus cos 3t. Minus cos 3t is the value of that, so we get the result of that. Now we simplify that, and that result we will get as the 3 minus 4 cos qp minus 3 cos t and 3 sin t minus 4 sin qp, and that's equal to minus cos 3t upon sin 3t and the minus cot 3t. So therefore the given result is satisfied. Okay, thank you.